Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Liberian macaroni salad. Gather 2 cups elbow macaroni, 1 cup mayonnaise, 1/2 cup evaporated milk, and chopped vegetables. Boil pasta until tender but firm, rinse under cold water, and drain well. Chop eggs and vegetables into bite-sized pieces, then gently fold everything together. Taste and adjust seasoning so the salad feels bright and creamy for serving. Boil the macaroni until al dente and cool it quickly to stop cooking, then transfer to a large bowl. Whisk mayonnaise with evaporated milk, a splash of vinegar, and a pinch of sugar until smooth. Add chopped hard-boiled eggs, carrots, peppers, and green onions to the pasta, then gently fold in the dressing to coat evenly. Chill the salad for flavor melding before tasting and serving to guests with confidence. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like the video, it really helps the channel. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control makes tidy up almost fun after a potluck. It handles crumbs, pasta bits, and dressing drips while you relax. Check the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. If you want extra flavor, try diced pickles or a dash of hot sauce in the dressing, and always taste as you go. Make the salad a few hours ahead and chill at least 2 hours so flavors meld and textures settle. For lighter texture, reduce mayonnaise and add more evaporated milk until you reach your ideal creaminess. Serve cold and garnish with chopped green onions or paprika for a friendly finishing touch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.